Hey guys, so it started pouring down rain at my place and I was going to go for a walk, but I've decided against that now. So I'm just going to move on and do a little bit of just an extra video, and we'll just go over a couple of simple things in this one. We're going to cover a little bit more of assignments of variables. So what I want you to do is I want you to do x, comma, y equals 10, comma, 12 times x. Now, make sure to copy this out and then hit enter. So as you can see, we've got a bit of a traceback error. It's saying that the value x is not defined. But if we look here, we've got x defined at the start, but that's not how Python works. When Python's dealing with this stuff, it solves the right side first. So it'll solve this part first before assigning the values over here. So even though we know we can work out in our head that x is equal to 10, Python's saying that 10, okay, we've got 10 here, so we're going to hold this right there. Then it's got 12 times x. We've got 12 times, now we can't find x because it hasn't been declared yet for Python's checking it. It hasn't checked over this side. Now, I think you'll find this is similar for most languages, if not exactly the same. I haven't run any tests because I've never actually programmed like this before. So to me this is kind of unique to Python, but I wouldn't be shocked if it's always the right hand side that gets evaluated and then assigned to the left hand side. So I don't know, I haven't tried this with C or C++ or Java or any of those languages. So I've got a little thing to try, and I suppose if you guys are following those tutorials, you've got something to do now as well. But so what I'm just saying is that we haven't actually assigned a value of x here. So that's where Python's saying that x has not been declared yet. We know we've got x over here, but Python can't figure that out. So what we're going to do is we're just going to change this to a 2. And as you can see, we now got x equals 10 and y equals 24. And if we look over here, we can see that it is multiplying this side first. It's not giving us y is equal to, when we type in y, it's not giving us 12 times 2. It's giving us 24. It's already evaluated this. And it's just printing out the value that it's returned. Now, I want you to copy this one again. And now that we've got it, you can hit enter. And as you can see, x is still equal to 10, but now y is equal to 120. Because we're now timesing the value, like we've now got x up here, so we're just defining, we've already defined it in this one here. Here we're just displaying it, and over here we're saying its new value is 10, which is essentially the same as its old value. Probably should have done this a bit different way, but if we run this again, if we go x first, x is 10, so if we run this one again but change x to 100, what we'll get is we'll still get y is equal to 120, but now x is equal to 100, and if we run this again, y will be equal to 1200, I believe. Yeah, 1200. I got to say 1200, which would have been correct, but I don't know what happened, just got a bit tongue-tied. So that's actually going to be it for this tutorial. I was just showing you how the assignment to operate, how assigning values of variables can happen, and that we can assign multiple variables on the same line just with the comma separating them, and that Python solves the right hand side first. So unless we had the variable x defined beforehand, it was not going to be able to do anything. But after we defined it with a different equation, running the original one again works. So anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I was actually going to show you something else in this video, but that'll be next time, and that will be a very short one. So it's all up to you if you want to watch that. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.